Hello everyone! So a couple of weeks ago I participated in a giveaway that Oto Kano has put together, and I was lucky enough to be one of the 2 winners, and I thank her very much for putting this together because it was so cool and I was so excited to win. I'll put a link in the description box to check out her channel because she's got a lot of interesting videos. And in the meantime, I just received this package today from her, and I will open it for you. And I'm really surprised that it arrived so fast. Mail from the UK usually takes a lot longer to arrive here. So here we start with a bamboo mat, which will be great to actually store paint brushes without damaging them. So you put one here, and then you can put another one, and so on. And in the end, you can just have a little roll here with a bunch of brushes if you want, and they don't fall. You can put a rubber band or a ribbon or something. So then we have a pack of paper, which is really cool. It's like it's a little block. It's postcard size, which is awesome because it's basically a set, a travel set for watercolor. I just want to be able to open it to show you guys. Here we go. So see how they, well, you might not be able to see it, but there's glue all around it, and then you can just unglue it here once you're done with your painting. So I really like watercolor blocks because they're so convenient. They're nice and hard. You don't need to tape your paper down, so that's really cool. There's this, and so there's a little card, and there's a little watercolor travel palette, which I think is just adorable. I love this tin, it's really cute. And got all the colors, and I'll make swatches. So there's they're all Daniel Smith, except these are, I think, Holbein. So Hansa Yellow Light, Quinacridone Gold, Ultramarine Deep, New Gamboge. I love this. Well, I like all these colors, but I only have, I think, this one here, this one. So that would be really cool to try the others. Pyrrole Scarlet and Phthalo Blue Yellow Shade. I don't even have a Phthalo Blue Yellow Shade. I didn't even know those existed. I heard of the blue shades and the green shade. I didn't even know the yellow shade existed. So I'm going to make swatches of these. And then there's a little card. It's really cute. So I'm going to make swatches of these. And I might paint a little something with this. So on her card, this is a card that she made, and you can see, you can go to her website and check out her beautiful paintings. Now I'm going to make, I think the swatches, I'm going to make them here first. So as you can see, there's a beautiful triad of cooler colors and one of warmer ones. And I guess the yellow shade, the phthalo blue yellow shade, it's pretty much like a yellow blue green shade to me. It's very nice. These are just like, they look like perfect primary colors. It's a very nice set. So I'm gonna put them gonna have to add them to my list. So all I need to do now is make a little painting to try out the paper and try out the paint properly.